keep my distance, make sure, you know, got wheelie room. Oh, he's just done the biggest wheelie. Oh my god, he's up in the sky. Ah! Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jish and we're here talking about Pando Moto once again. This time they've sent me out a jacket. I hope you like that little bit of B-roll at the start of the video. My good friend Tom Durnford helped me out with the clips there, so go and follow his social media down below. He's a real good lad. We're here to talk about this jacket. It's their brand new bomber jacket, not long released. And I, for one, I love the style of motorcycle bomber jackets. I think they look cool as hell, but looks on everything. Most and foremost, it's protection. Now, this jacket comes with elbow and shoulder pads and a little pocket for back support if you want it, like I have. Woo! Speedy Gonzales! Feel of this jacket, it's so lightweight, considering it's a proper heavy duty biker jacket. I'll go into the specifics later of materials used and everything, but especially summertime where you just want to wear as little as possible, but you know you shouldn't. I give that to Pando Moto. Their products are very high quality. So this jacket is great. Super lightweight, as I mentioned on the ride. It fits absolutely fantastic. Things like the lining and stuff, you just know it's quality. But the stuff that I want to talk to you about is like the material that it's made out of. Cordura denim. Let's talk about some of the details of this jacket. Firstly, you've got this really cool reflective strip with their logo on the back. I mean, you can put patches and stuff on this and it's just a real nice heavy duty denim. In fact, it's a very special motorcycle denim. Cordura, I have no idea, Cordura denim, I don't know how you pronounce it, but that's a very hard wearing, heavy duty motorcycle specific denim for jackets and jeans and all that. As I say, apart from being super lightweight, it's super stretchy as well. It feels like no other jacket I've worn, and let me just put it on. It just looks right. I mean, you could wear this out, you know, you could go on a nice long ride, park up in a nice little quiet village somewhere and have a walk around, look at the shops and everything, and you'd be quite all right wearing this. It's just blurring the lines between casual clothing and motorcycle protective gear. It just makes it that much cooler. Like, you don't have to peel your leathers off and worry about where you're going to put them while you go for a little walk out and about. Just wear it. It's that easy. The other thing with this jacket, it comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, what other brands can you say have a lifetime warranty on their clothing? Probably a few out there, but they're all probably on the higher end of the price scale, where this is actually very affordable for what you're getting. I'll leave all the links down below to Pando Moto and the links to this jacket and everything. Go and check it out for yourself. Go and see everything else they have on offer. As mentioned, I'll leave all the details down below. Go and check them out. They are such a cool company to work with. I really, really rate their products, and hopefully you will too. So thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it. And thank you again, Pando Moto, for sending me out that jacket. I'm so chuffed with it. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace. Cordura denim.